Hi guys, how are you? I'm really excited to tell you a little bit about the Urbipod, which is your micro garden. I mean, I love fresh herbs. I've got an amazing garden here at my restaurant, Putia Pure Food Kitchen, but sometimes you may not have a garden and it's really nice to have herbs right at your fingertips. So I've just opened the box and I'm going to take you through the basic system, and then I'll touch base with you a little bit later on how to actually grow your herbs. The best thing about the Urbipod is that it is all Australian, made here in Australia, and an Australian invention, and it's a great way for you guys to have fresh herbs, edible flowers right at your fingertips. So just to give you a bit of an overall of how to put it together, the system comes in the box wrapped in bubble wrap, so be careful when you're pulling it all out because it does have quite a few pieces. So you've got some instructions here which tells you how to assemble it all, but I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown as I thought it was really easy when I watched a video on how to put it all together. So first of all, you've got your little pods like this which sit into the Urbipod like so. The next thing is you've got the little false floor, and you also have these little wicks that sit in the false floor. So make sure they're about a 1 or 2 millimeter. They're sitting up above the false floor like that. That simply goes inside your little pod like so. And then you have another little pad like this which sits on top. Now it won't be flush, but that's fine. So you just want to sit that in and sit that into the pod and do that with the rest of the pods. Get this really cool little zip up case, which ladies are gonna love this, to keep all your lovely seeds and everything in. And in here is the nutrients. You also get all of your wonderful seeds. So we've got cress, basil, rocket and oregano. So I'll be showing you a little bit later on how to plant these. And most importantly, you have the core. So the core basically is almost kind of like the soil. So this just needs to sit straight on top of your little pod like so. And the next step that I'm going to show you is how to fill it all up, turn it on, plant your seeds, and it's as simple as that.